ordered food and nobody finished anything.
Not even Cassandra.
Not even these Cheetos. It's so good, but I am so full. Man, I'm so full, guys. Just another sunny day in sunny California.
Hey, babe,
What's up, guys?
you got a pencil truck.
We're here at the Delano Mall.
A pencil truck.
And the lighting's terrible. We're at the mall. I'm gonna go check some things out. I'll bring you guys with me to show you guys around. We're at the food court, and it's a rainy day, and it's super crazy back.
Did they just take care of us? You want to carry her?
Yeah, let's go. This thing smells like, what is this? It smells like one of those car scents.
That's supposed to be chocolate?
It's supposed to be chocolate, and this is like strawberry. It smells like a strawberry. And then we have a soccer ball one. We're at Build-A-Bear. Nah, that one doesn't smell like nothing. So you create your own pop bar, you choose the toppings, and then you do a dip. That's cool. The milk chocolate waffle cone topping. Oh, that's cool.
This one's more skin creamy. I like this one way better than the topping.
And I'll probably get... Look, Frankie. Look at... These are like the most popular ones.
Kiwi. With what?
Kiwi with what? What is that?
Waffle and white chocolate.
This is bomb.
What is that? Kiwi with white chocolate, though.
Oh,
Tastes
this is bomb. Mine is like mango with chocolate.
what?
Wanna go up the elevator?
What is that? Mango, kiwi with white chocolate.
It's better than I thought. I was like,
Huh?
chocolate and mango. Like, I don't know.
Last time when we went to go eat, I looked at the over there.
We were gonna get one, but it was closed.
Yeah. I was just gonna get a plain.
Well, I was gonna get plain, but I just saw her thing.
Hot bar, guys. Bomb. We're gonna go in the elevator.
$4 for each one is cheap.
Well, you dip it.
So we just left the mall, and now, where the hell are we going now?
Walmart!
To Walmart.
Look at the ghettoest place in the world, nigga.
Probably. What are you gonna buy your?
I'm hoping,
Hopefully.
I'm hoping to find a fucking Xbox.
He doesn't
Xbox
even know
Walmart?
what he's gonna buy.
Yeah.
Come up with. I'm gonna go with something and come up with something else now.
We'll see what we find then. We just left the mall. This guy got a really good deal.
Mira mi teddy bear.
What?
She's showing you.
Teddy bear? And we almost forgot her in the car. Just kidding, Cassandra. We didn't mean to. Child services to come pick up the baby. Headphones. Afterglows. Ooh.
Yeah, but that's a 500.
Which one?
Gigabyte. That's a 500 gigabyte. The one I got is 1 terabyte.
Yeah, that's way more. It's like two of those.
better?
Yeah, it's two of those. $15.
Go.
So I picked this stuff up, guys. I think for the next video, I'm gonna be using this. I haven't really thought about what I'm gonna do, but for the next video.
What's that?
Which one should I get? I keep dropping stuff. I don't have everything. Freshly squeezed oranges. Watch your oranges squeeze in seconds. Let's try this. How do we make a selection? Press the green button. Approved. It says transaction, please wait.
Oh, look at the new cheese cards. They look like the new cookies.
Cool. I gotta cut that part out.
Look.
Oh shit, you're right. I better be the most delicious juice ever. And it's like squeezing them right there. Or it cuts them.
Huh?
It cuts it in half right there, and then like it squeezes it down here. Now it's done.
It took about 5 oranges just to make one that little cup.
Get it?
$2.50, little tiny cup. Who would have thought, guys? Freshly squeezed orange juice at a Walmart.
I'm gonna make you see it.
I don't know. It's good though.
Hey, you seen that, Jerry?
What?
The 2 girls in the cup video?
Oh my god,
They
no.
eat it, huh?
I don't know.
See? He does.
I've seen that shit.
I haven't seen
watched it.
It's tart, but it's so good
So how
though.
do you, hey, you haven't seen it, Jerry? But yeah,
No,
how do you know it's
I heard about it.
That bitch made me see it once.
We talk about it at school all the time. Everybody will talk about it.
Oh, yeah.
Look it up.
That was like back then when we were in high school, fool.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I was in middle school.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that pretty much ends the day. I went to the mall today, as you guys can see, and I couldn't record much because it's so hard to record around a bunch of people. And the mall was really busy because of the rain too. So yeah, it's kind of hard to record. But I did get some footage. I went to Walmart too and I picked up some stuff for the next videos. So hopefully you guys get to enjoy that and keep up. I'll try to show you guys inside because it's freezing cold out here. Because it's still raining. Well, kind of. Everything's really wet because I let the dog out. Right, Chonies? I let Chanel out. I call her Chonies though. But hopefully she needs to go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom. Go. Shh, go. Go to the bathroom. Yeah, she kind of listens. But yeah, probably inside I'll show you guys everything I got. I was gonna do it outside, but I can't get a really good angle, and it's really cold out here. But yeah, I'll try to set it up inside because I got some ideas for the next videos I want to make. All right?